How to redeem Sephora gift card online. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. To begin with, you have to launch a browser and search for sephora.com or sephora.in or any of the suffix that goes with the region. To redeem the Sephora gift card, you have to go ahead and purchase an item off the website. Now for the sake of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and select an item to purchase. Let's wait for the product. Now all you have to do is tap on Add to Bag, then select View Bag. In the product description section, you will see there is Apply Coupon option. Just tap on it, and in this dialog box, paste the coupon that you have it, then tap on Check. If the coupon is valid, it will be applied and you will see substantial discount in your grand total. Tap on Check Out once you have applied the code. Next step, you have to sign in to your account. For that, to verify yourself, enter your mobile number, then tap on Get OTP. Enter your OTP, sign into your account, and continue with the purchase. For that, you have to add your payment method, whether it is credit card or debit card or PayPal. Once done, you'll be able to successfully redeem your Sephora gift card. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.